Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account is active and calendars are synced so changes propagate. Open Teams on desktop or web to avoid mobile UI limits. Find the calendar view and use the date picker or search bar to locate the meeting quickly. Once located, click to open details rather than joining. This gives you edit controls. Make sure you have organizer rights. If not, message the organizer now so you can coordinate a new time without causing confusion. You click Edit or More Options to access the meeting form and change date, time, and duration. This is where precision matters. Use the scheduling assistant to view attendee availability and pick a time that minimizes conflicts. Once you choose a new slot, update the meeting title or add a brief note explaining the reason so recipients understand the change. Make sure to confirm time zone settings, otherwise people in different zones may see incorrect times. You save and send update to push the new time and message to all attendees. This replaces the old invite automatically. Once done, monitor responses, and if people decline due to conflicts, propose 2 alternates in the meeting chat to reach consensus quickly. If the update doesn't send, check your network and that you remain the organizer with edit permissions. Sign out and back in, or use Outlook as a fallback. One key tip: clear the team's cache before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.